Artoonza.
Glitter Pokemon Ball Time trainers. Who knew a bottle cap, some glitter, and a little nail polish drama could create the ultimate Pokemon Ball masterpiece? Today, we're drawing, sprinkling, vacuuming. Yes, even the glitter mess gets its own spotlight. And finishing with a red paint injection so epic, it might just catch Pikachu itself. It's silly, sparkly, and way too much fun. So grab your markers and let's make art that's sweet enough to keep forever. 1, 2, 3. Goo! Glitter attack! This Pokemon ball will sparkle so hard even Pikachu might need sunglasses. Give us a big thumbs up. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Catch it, color it, love it. This Pokeball is sweet enough to keep. Smash that like button now. Time for the glam upgrade. Black glitter nail polish. Because every Pokemon ball deserves a little runway sparkle, not just battles. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Incoming color explosion, plop, drip, swoosh. This red paint injection is juicier than a strawberry milkshake and twice as fun. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Give us your like. Our Pokeball is ready to catch cuteness and Pokemon. Don't be shy, color high. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.